Just this weekend, I saw in my own church bulletin, and I heard from the pastor who spoke at the pulpit about how the Catholic Church has set up a hotline.
The hotline Erie County District Attorney John Flynn is talking about is confidential. It was set up by the diocese for individuals wanting to file a sexual abuse complaint.
I applaud their efforts, all right, but we need transparency here, okay? And I would tell an individual, if you are a victim, you should call me.
Flynn says if the sexual abuse allegation is brought directly to his office, the matter will be investigated.
If it's within the 5-year statute of limitations, or the victim is not yet 23 years old, it potentially is a crime that I can investigate.
Last week, Bishop Richard Malone and attorney Terrence Connors held a news conference during which they reported receiving 15 to 20 sex abuse claims since 2005. Flynn said none were reported to law enforcement. The Diocese of Buffalo sent 7 Eyewitness News this statement. The diocese has had a signed memorandum of understanding since 2003 with the district attorneys from all 8 counties of Western New York that we are to report new allegations to them, but not old cases. Even though some cases have been brought to our attention in recent years, they pertain to actions from decades ago, and thus the district attorney may not have been notified.
I applaud the church in their actions. I applaud the church by setting up a hotline and having a mechanism for people to come forward. But an internal church hotline is not enough. You need to call me as well.
The DA says with the potential passage of the Child Victims Act, there would be no statute of limitations on sexual abuse crimes, meaning Flynn would be able to prosecute future cases. And if you have a tip for the I-Team, call 840-7750 or email iteam@wkbw.com. Brittany Muller, 7 Eyewitness News.
All right, thank you.